All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about one thing that all the top prop firm traders share. So the vast majority of them, I'm not going to say every single one of them, but the vast majority of them, they all share one similarity. They share one thing. People have this misconception that these prop firm traders are like some supernatural beings. They're just, making insane returns month after month after month. Every single day, they're just racking it up. They're killing it. They're cleaning it up. They got the keys to the market unlocked, right? And that's not the case. If you look at the top prop firm traders and how they trade, what you'll notice is they don't have that big of gains percent-wise, but they're raking in dough. So how is that? Because if you look at that, what the top prop firm traders, what they're bringing in when they post the results, you know what they'll typically do? Here's the common similarity that they do. They'll make 1% or 2% and they'll stop trading and they'll wait for payout. That's it. They don't push it past that. You know what a lot of traders do? You know what a lot of beginner traders do? They'll keep trading. They'll keep trading. They'll keep trying to make more money. But what you look at the top prop firm traders do, you know what they do? They get that 1%, that 2%, they stop and they wait for payout. Or they'll go trade a different prop firm account while they're waiting for payout in one. They don't try to make these insane, huge percent gain numbers. The top prop firm traders don't do that. So then people are like, well, then how do they make so much money? Because they have capital. That is the answer. Acquire capital. Quit shooting for high percent. I'm not saying you can't have high percent gains. I'm not saying that. Okay. I'm not saying you can't have high percent gain months, but I'm saying the easiest path, trading isn't easy, but the easiest path to get rich, to rake in a lot of money is by simply acquiring capital and hitting low hanging objectives. Because think about this, guys. What is 1% on 1 million? Really, this puts it into perspective. What is 1% on 1 million? 10 grand. One trade, 10 grand. You bank, wait for payout, boom. I don't give a damn where you live. 10 grand, 1 month, that's a lot of money. And that's on 1%, guys. And it's literally just a matter of acquiring capital. It's acquiring capital. And 1 million, you can get more than 1 million. You can get 2 million. Like you utilize multiple firms, you get max allocated with multiple firms. You could be, what's 1% on $2 million? 20 grand. Think about that. One trade, boom, 20 grand done. Wait for payout, boom. Pay me 20 grand 1 month. Look at that. Now, of course, you got to, factor in the little tiny profit split and all that stuff, but you get the point. It doesn't take much. It's literally, that's how the top prop firm traders operate. They're not trying to hit huge percent gains. They're just taking low hanging objectives and then they're waiting for payout. That's it. That's how that's how 9 times out of 10 they operate. So I just wanted to make that really quick video to share this with you because it is it's a very important lesson. And what you'll probably realize is once you really grasp this, it's like a big weight that's lifted off your shoulders because you realize that you don't have to make these huge gains. You literally just have to make 1%, 2%, boom. And if you have the capital, well, man, if that 1% to 2%, even in just one payout, it makes a big difference. It can be a lot of money. You just got to acquire the capital. Do you think you can do that? Do you think you can just manage that? I think you can. Get a profitable system. All right, get your psychology, all that good stuff. Learn how to manage risk, get all that under control. Hit those low-hanging objectives, and that's how you get rich.